that a hiccup? Is that a hiccup? Is that another hiccup? Is that a hiccup? Is that a hiccup? That was a hiccup. You hear that, everybody? That's a hiccup. That is Danielle's hiccup. She has a hiccup, everybody. Everybody, she has a hiccup. It is fucking cute. Oh, there it goes again. She has hiccups. She has hiccups. 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 She's trying to hide. Hide from the hiccups. Yeah, well, there goes again. Hiccup. My own girlfriend has hiccups. Neener, neener, neener. See, that was her. There it goes again. This is funny. This is funnier than what I made in my own shows. See? There it goes again. She's going, ah! I'll just be quiet and let her hiccup. Sounds like a mouse. She's gonna poke the phone. Drink some water. That would help it. Or you might spit it up. Hold your breath. Ah! No. Usually scaring works. Let's see if that works. Damn, I think it did. She's hiding from the camera, everybody. I'm sorry. I didn't help you out. I was supposed to have her on cam. I failed. See, there she is. I swear. I can't get her on cam, though. She never wants to be on cam. Oh, well. Sucks for me. At least I got her hiccups. Well, let's see what happened, actually. Alright, you guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye. This is the Chode Show. Hakuna Matata. Means no worries for the rest of your days. Hakuna Matata. Means no worries for the rest of your days. Alright.